Hey guys, welcome to Techis Guru. Today we'll be learning how to rename a WhatsApp group, and now let's dive right in. Now to rename a WhatsApp group, first open up your WhatsApp app and make sure that you are an admin of the group which you want to rename. And from over here guys, at the top of the screen you can see I have a group that I created earlier. Now in order to rename it, we'll be required to open the chat box like this and tap on their name at the top of the screen on the group, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and you can see the change group name option available for us. Tap on change group name, and over here you'll be required to rename your group. So I'll be typing or retyping or renaming the group to group demo group 2, and then tap on OK. And there guys, you can see the name of that group has been changed. And there guys, this is how to change your group name on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.